2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote, sexy burgundy. Got long tube headers there, long tube headers there. Then what we did on it is put stainless steel bros, dual in, dual out muffler with a crossover inside. We'll try to get you guys a link in the description for it, as you guys can see. And then we left his stock mufflers out the back with the active exhaust on them. So it controls and opens and closes when he wants it, as you guys can see. There's a valve, they're open right now. So you'll get to hear the full noise of it. There it is, right there. Coyote 5.0, active exhaust and stainless steel bros mids. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the factory resonator that was on it that we cut off right there and replaced it with the stainless steel. Guys, we got a sexy, super sexy snake, Coyote, 2019 Mustang, sexy blue, custom wheels. Look at this thing. And then there's our fencing guy, David. If you guys ever need any fence, go to midsouthfence.com. Anyways, 2019 Ford Mustang GT Coyote. Woo, nice body kit on it, fat wheels. Anyways, what we got done on it. So it's got long tube headers. Somebody else did that. And then they brought a bolt-on kit. It was already installed. H-pipe. It's all Corsa, double H-pipe, as you guys can see there. So long tube headers, there and there. Double H-pipe, all 3-inch, all the way back. And it was hit on this side. So this pipe was all damaged and crinkled and bent up. So we fixed it, as you guys can see right there. And made it line up, put a new hanger. Bent all this, realigned it, because it all fell off. And then I lined it here to realign everything to make it all fit. Look at that. Came out really nice, really clean. Double H-pipe system, Corsa system, all the way back. So there it is, right there and right there. And then it's got quad tips out the back on each side. There and there. Just a nice looking car, really cleanly done. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Wow, what a difference. Just long tube. And the board. Wow. Hey man, I'm gonna get one of those and I'm just gonna hand you the keys, okay? I want it to sound like that. Do whatever you did to the motor. It's sick, man. This sounds really, really nice. Wow. That stainless steel, bro, sounds really nice on that. You can see, you can tell from the tire setup. It's just got a little bit done, not too much. Wow. Listen to that. That's so sexy. That's not full throttle either. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Guys. Wow. Listen to this thing. Still getting it all tuned and everything. It's got an E85. 125 on the sound decibels, guys. That's Jared, can you cash him out? There's a guy in there. Look at the stance on it. Really nice stance on it. My God, my ears, guys. Woo. Let you guys hear on the inside. like I told you guys, it barely has a little bit of stuff doing. Not much at all. Very little. And he did it all himself, so more props to him. Seriously. Wow. Look at that, guys. See that sexy thing right there? Oh, wow. Just beautiful car, man. Really beautifully done. More props to him. We need more car guys like that. Hell yeah. How much is it pushing to the wheel? 720. Barely anything. Ain't nothing. That's so awesome. We'll show you guys the takeoff in a second. Enjoy. Look at this beast, guys. Wow. Really appreciate you bringing it in, man. It's a beautiful car. There it is right there. Look at that. Not your average 5.0. It's still got to retune itself because we just fixed the exhaust on it. That's why it sounds a little bit like jittery. But once it retunes itself, you can see. Look at that. Woo. I want it. I need this in my life, guys. I really do. That's a sexy car. Beautiful. Just want to let you guys see it. Ford Mustang 2019 with a Procharger, supercharger, and stainless steel mid, stainless steel bros mids, long tube headers, high flow cats, and active exhaust. That's beautiful. Pushing 720 to the wheels. Enjoy, guys. Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. Probably pushing around 6 to 7 horse at least. It's really nicely done. Whoever did the kit on it, it's really did a clean job on it. It's such a beautiful look. And my favorite color, blue. Sucker's sexy. Perfectly lowered. You can see from the big tires that this thing means business. You can still hear it. Oh, listen to that sucker. I love my job. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Wow. Beast mode.